It is winter in the Netherlands. It has been snowing for a few days and today the sun began to shine. Because of COVID, all of the kids were free and could enjoy some winter fun. This park is near my home. The best time of day to paint is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, better known as the golden hour. The sun is very low and casts low shadows over the snowy landscape. Enough inspiration to make a winter painting. Welcome to Stayf Draws. I'm Stefan de Groot, a Dutch artist, but you can call me Stayf. This is the painting I made of the city park. Composition. I start out with a rough sketch to make the composition of the painting. Primer. Then on a separate layer I start to lay down the big shapes. It's an impressionistic approach to painting, working from big shapes to smaller shapes. Trust the process. There always comes a time when your painting looks like a hot mess. Don't panic and keep painting and trust the process. Painting big shapes to small shapes. Light. The light comes from the upper left corner. The sun is very low in winter, especially at the end of the day. It will cast long shadows on the snow, creating interesting shapes. Values. Almost until the end of the painting I start painting the details, varying lights and darks, and all the values in between. There are a lot of values to paint in the snow. Also different colors. Snow is white, but with these long shadows it creates a plethora of shades, values and colors, created by the reflection of the sun and also the reflection of other objects. Finish your painting. So when is your painting finished? That's always hard to tell. I zoom out a lot to see the overall painting and if the values are right, and make slight adjustments to make the painting work. This painting I made with my custom brush set Stayf Procreate Impressionism brushes. They're available on my Gumroad. I'll leave a link below this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Drawing is fun and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!